Hey folks, I'm here with Esther and we're about to stitch up her mom Nairi, who's just won the Harley-Davidson X350 motorcycle that we've been running for the last month or two. Ready to give your mom a ring?
Absolutely. Woo. Here we go. Hey, Mum. Hey, something's happened, and I think I need you guys to come up here.
What's happened?
Look, Chris here's going to explain to you. Hang on.
Hi Nairi, my name's Chris. How are you today?
Good.
Unfortunately, we've got a bit of a problem. We need your help.
How are you? Who are you?
Hang on.
I know your daughter, I know your son, and I know your husband, Mike, and we need you to come up to Christchurch.
No, yeah, but who are you, Chris?
I'm the dealer principal of Rolling Thunder Harley-Davidson.
Right.
You've just won a brand new 2024 X350 Harley-Davidson.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Surprise!
Merry Christmas.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
All I'm thinking is I've had such a bitch of a morning. Now.
No, it's all good, Mum. I'm standing here in front of your Harley. Yeah, so congratulations.
Yeah, we've been,
I just need a wee minute.
She's gonna
no
cry.
worries. We've been working on it all morning. We got in touch with your son Taylor, who put us in touch with your partner Mike, who put us in touch with your daughter here with me now.
Looking at Mike now, he's telling me videoing.
So congratulations and Merry Christmas to you and your family.
Don't apologize. Well done, Mum.
So we look forward to you coming up to Christchurch to pick up your new motorcycle.
Oh my god, I've got the shakes. Oh, Chris, thank you so much.
No, you're very welcome.
Worrying.
No worries, no worries.
I pre-warned him, Mum. Merry Christmas. You good?
Wow, you know, yep.
Awesome. Well, we look forward to seeing you up here soon.
Yeah, okay then, thank you very
Alrighty,
much.
take
Chris.
care.
Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas.
Bye, Mama.